She'll help keep the trash all in one place. I think we earned a soda. Uh-oh, the table! We forgot to set it! But first things first, we need things to actually set it with. Let's start things off with a pie? Chicken pot? Or something sweet? Looks like we're going with sweet. And it's blueberry by the looks of it. Let's add our secret special sauce. And a buttery crust. Place on the table to cool. I don't trust that windowsill. But Sprunki's can't live on pie alone. What we need is delicious, nutritious bread! Especially when we use it to make rainbow grilled cheese. Sprunki's prefer food with a face. Ah, the cheese pull does not disappoint. Hey, a snake! Well, that put the stop in stop motion. But remember, waste not, want not. Besides, black and green go great with red. And with a few twists and turns, it's melon season. Now we just need to slice it up. Sometimes it pays to see some red. Plus, there's plenty of slices to go around. We'll need some beverages. Pour some juice. Everyone at the same time. It's time to dig in. A Waxus? What did you roll around in?
Ew.
Well, we know just what you need. A bath. Of course, it's a bath with a sprunky touch. Do you prefer your bath hot or cold? Our Sprunky friends prefer things just right. Now, Waxus, you just sit back and relax, and we'll make just the thing to help. Your very own facial mask. Complete with soap. But let's seal it up so we can spread the suds. Now let it set. Your pores will thank you. Our friends want to help set up the new bathroom. But I guess a decorator's job is never done. The perfect thing to hold all our soaps. Plus, you can never stop at one rubber ducky. Just maybe turn it to the side. Much better. Almost done. Don't forget the bathroom sink. Not to be confused with the kitchen sink. But I think our privy's missing something. That porcelain white should be a clue. Okay, we've got a tank, a seat. I hope Sky doesn't feel insulted by this, but he can just zip his lid. Here, Oren, why don't you break it in? Hey, don't forget to wash your hands. Ugh, don't forget to flush either. Everything is coming up roses. Looks like we need to do some laundry.
Ew.
We're gonna need a washing machine. This should help with the spin cycle. Now for some finishing touches. It's time for our first load. You remembered to add detergent, right? Almost done. Hang it up to dry. Unless, of course, you want to make a dryer, too. Besides, Mr. Sun is nature's dryer, and he's free. Ooh, Simon wants to donate some yellow. Wow, Mr. Sun really fills out. Now let's hang you up where you can really shine. Of course, even stars need help sometimes. Grab some twine and twist around a pole. Let's add some greenery while we're at it. Just make sure it's safe and secure. Let's add some gravel to rest your roots. Soon we'll have our own attic greenhouse.
Wow!
Big plants are nice and all, but there's room for all sizes around here. Just don't forget your watering can. What's wrong, Derple? Did you lose face? Poor Oaxis. He looks a little flat. But remember, it's what's inside that counts. Especially when what's inside is candy. Oaxis's dream can finally come true. He always wanted to be a piñata. And Derple's fine with some candy. Can Oren keep her new friend? Aw, who can say no to you?
Okay.
In fact, we'll whip up a habitat. Just the thing, somewhere that's green.
Cool!
I think she used Vinaria as a model. Never noticed she had such a big mouth. Well, hope she likes the taste of gravel. Add some greenery to chew on. And some rocks for sunbathing. Here, Lizzie, why not check it out? Besides, our flora could use some fauna. Let's have a nice place to sit.
Wow!
Wow, our Pinky house looks great. There's room for all of our friends. More importantly, there's room for all of our stuff, too. But do you think we need an addition? Then our old pal Coca. Of course, variety is the spice of life. Add a coin and pick your poison. Derple's getting orange soda, a classic.
Yeah!
Next up, some cola and lemon lime. Simon just loves citrus. Now green for red and red for green. Some Sprunkies gotta dance. They're maniacs on the floor. Okay, don't make us separate you two. Why don't we roll out the cardboard carpet? And whip you up a place to work out all your energy. But don't forget, we'll need something they can fit into. Something with a nice sprunky touch. It's Ratty, and he's electric. Huh, make that magnetic. Now he can put the go in go-karts. We could race these guys, but there's really nowhere to go. So why not lay back and enjoy the ride? Let's spruce things up around here. Uh-oh!
Ouch!
Oh, calm
Ew.
down. It's only paint. Can't let it go to waste. Might as well finger paint. Decorate with hot glue for a nice woodsy look. Cover those holes with some spooky faces. Think of it as our carnival's haunted house. But a tree. So like a haunted treehouse, sorta. Okay, got any takers? Ah, Ratty, try to kick a ball in. Wow, you got it in! And on your first try, too. And it looks like you started a new trend. Wow, they sure kick hard considering they don't have feet. Hey, that looks fun. Anyone up for horseback riding? Of course, where are we gonna get a pony? Sure, we could just sit and scream about it, or get crafty. Now, what part of the fair needs a nice, colorful top? I'll give you a hint. It also involves horses. Plural. Rainbows aren't mandatory, but who doesn't like rainbows?
Wow.
Round and round you go. That's another hint. It's a carousel, but we still need the horses. I've heard about digging for treasure up there, but I never knew that it would actually work. Keep digging, we're gonna need more. Wonderful! Ready to take it for a spin.
Wow.
Come on down and pick a pony. Wow, it feels like you're floating on air. And these guys aren't even Pegasi. Aw, they all look so cute having fun. Let's take pictures. We need a camera. Sure, we don't have one, but I'm sure we can whip one up. We're gonna need a strong lens. Think of it as a big mechanical eye. Don't forget to fix up the shutter. Plus a few buttons. Gotta have buttons.
Cool.
Why don't we test it out first? Cheese!
Oops.
Okay, big smiles, everyone. Hey, you close your eyes.
Aw.
Aw, this one's going right in our scrapbook. Yeah, you should keep that selfie.
Uh-huh. Hiya!
Wow, who needs a hole punch when she's around? She's a whiz with a paintbrush, too. Ooh, so what do you think she's making?
Phew. Cool.
Well, you can't go wrong with fairy lights.
Hey, no.
All your truck needs now is a mascot. Look at that. It's an ice cream truck. Who's in the mood for some sprunky spumoni? Come on down. We've got a bunch of flavors. Plus, we're always packed with toppings. Cup or cone? Why not choose both?
Hey.
Place your order. Would you like a sample? Let's start with a scoop of cotton candy. And our pistachio just can't be beat. How about a nice juicy strawberry?
Wow.
Here, have a bite. And we've got cones to spare, too.